So hello everyone, welcome to the second module of this week, and the name of this module is Social Media Marketing, Significance and Introduction. So in this very module, our focus will be on understanding the basic concept of social media marketing and its significance. So under this module, you will specifically learn what are important statistics about social media, what is social media marketing, and what are various platforms of social media marketing. So today social media is a buzzword and the size of the social media is quite big. The world of social media is constantly changing and it has greatly impacted the domain of marketing. So before I start, let me explain it. What is social media all about? According to wordsys.com, social media is a collective of online communication channels dedicated to community-based input, interaction, content sharing and collaboration. Websites and applications dedicated to forum, microblogging, social networking, social bookmarking, social curation, and wikis are among the different types of social media. If you are on Facebook or Instagram or following someone on Twitter, it's all about social media. Social media has changed the way we live our lives. From the way we get our news to the way we interact with our loved one, social media is everywhere. It is unavoidable, it is powerful, and it is here to stay. There is no doubt social media platforms are unique in a way they interact with the customers. But as a marketer, I always wonder, should I invest in social media? Will it yield the desired result? Is it effective? And so on. Let me show you some statistics here that will help you to shape your opinion about the social media. Large number of people are on social media. This is the fact that there has been an exponential growth in the social media users during the last decade. A Mercer 2019 reported that there are 3.2 billion social media users worldwide, and this number is still growing. This number is equal to the 42% of the world population. That simply means close to 50% of world population is on social media. Amazing. This trend is attributed to the growth of mobile phones and mobile apps in the recent times. If such a large number of people are connected through social media platforms, then it may be a very good platform for the businesses to reach the people very quickly. Generation-wise breakup of social media uses. Millennials are very active on social media because of the broadest access to the smartphones and tablets. 90.4% of millennium, 77.5% of Generation X, and 48.2% of baby boomers are active social media users according to the eMarketer 2019. Understanding this social media statistics will help you to determine which platform could be the most useful when the marketing to your target audience. How much time we spend on social media? Have you ever thought how much time we spend on social media? It is very surprising. We are becoming social media addicts. According to one report, on an average, 2 hours and 22 minutes are spent per day per person on social networks. It shows that social media is becoming an integral part of our life and it offers immense opportunities for businesses who are eager to reach out to their audience through the social media marketing. Facebook is a market leader. Since 2004, Facebook is growing to be the leader of social media. Facebook has over 2.32 billion active monthly users that keep it in one of the widely used social media platforms. According to one report, roughly 2/3 of US adults, that is 68%, are Facebook users. When it comes to the marketing, it may be a very good option to invest in it. A few of the modules are focusing on Facebook marketing only. Just be tuned in. Social media marketing, is it a serious business? Of course. Big brands are riding on the wave of social media. According to Buffer 2019, 73% of marketers believe that their efforts through the social media marketing have been somewhat effective or very effective for their business. Marketing through social media is becoming an essential part of the marketing strategy. Social marketing is cost effective and it helps the brands to interact with their audience and to build the brand loyalty in the long run. Do customers really use social media? This is a very hard question. Do our customers really use social media? Answer is very surprising. 54% of social browsers use social media to search for products. It clearly shows that our prospects are really on social media and they are actively using it for searching of products. That is why it is very essential to have the presence on social media to have the strong brand presence. Positive customer experience on social media matters. If you are continuously engaged with your audience on the social media by responding to their queries and comments, it is likely that they will share the positive word of mouth about your brand. One report says that 71% of consumers who have had a positive experience with the brand on social media are likely to recommend the brand to their friends or to the family members. Influencer marketing and the social media. The future of marketing is influencer marketing. Brands are heavily investing in the social media marketing and there is a reason behind it. According to a report, 49% of consumers claim that they depend on influencer recommendation on social media to inform their purchasing decision. Social media by mobile phones. Mobile phones are everywhere and growing at very fast rate. It has fueled the growth of social media up to great extent. According to Life Marketing, 91% of all social media users access social channels via mobile devices. Likewise, almost 80% of total time spent on social media sites occur on mobiles. So this was an overview of social media. The purpose of this video was to apprise you about the latest trends in social media. I hope you must have realized that social media can play a significant role in social media marketing. So in the next video, we will talk about social media marketing.